In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Notion to update your UI using a design system template. If you're ready to give your Notion space a fresh, coherent look, follow along. Our goal today is to explore how to seamlessly integrate a UI design system template into your workspace. First, you'll want to head into Notion and locate your profile, which is usually at the top right corner of your workspace. Once there, click on it. This is your entryway to various customization and configuration options that Notion offers, including account settings and integrations. Clicking on your profile is a critical step to begin the customization process. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Templates section. Templates in Notion act as a powerful starting point for organizing information according to your needs. Once you've clicked into the profile, look for the Templates option. By diving into Templates, you're essentially unlocking a range of pre-made structures, saving time and ensuring consistency throughout your Notion pages. When you enter the Templates segment, you'll see a search bar, which is your best friend when you have something specific in mind. What you need to do here is type in UI. This is going to narrow down the large sea of templates to just those that are focused on UI or user interface design. The search function in Notion is tailored to make it as easy as possible to find exactly what you're looking for, cutting through the clutter. Once your search results are displayed, scroll through until you spot an option labeled UI Design System. This particular choice is a composite of best practices and modern design elements, essentially providing a comprehensive framework for a polished user experience. Go ahead and click on this option. This step is where the magic begins, selecting the perfect design system for your workspace. The final step is to add this template to your workspace. Normally, right next to the UI Design System option, you should see a button that says something like Add Template, or just Add. Click on it, and voila! Notion will automatically integrate the design system into your existing workspace. This step seamlessly daisy-chains all elements together, immediately lifting the visual and functional aesthetic of your workspace. With those steps, you've just revamped your Notion setup with a cohesive UI design system, making your workflow not only more efficient, but also more visually pleasing. A well-organized and aesthetically pleasing workspace in Notion can greatly enhance your productivity by making it easier to navigate through your tasks and projects. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on optimizing your digital workspace with Notion and beyond. See you next time.